Say goodbye to gas and hello to effortless cutting. The Oregon CS1500 makes yard work a breeze. Looking for a powerful and easy-to-use chainsaw for your yard? The Oregon CS1500 is an 18-inch, 15-amp corded electric chainsaw designed for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY enthusiasts. It's time to ditch the gas and embrace the electric revolution. This chainsaw features an integrated self-sharpening system. With just a pull of the PowerSharp lever, you can sharpen the chain in seconds. This ensures your cuts are always smooth and precise, making yard cleanup a breeze. The Oregon CS1500 eliminates the headaches of gas-powered chainsaws. Its low-maintenance, tool-free tensioning system allows for quick adjustments without any extra tools. This means less time fiddling and more time tackling those yard projects. The automatic lubrication system ensures longer chain life and smoother cutting. This feature keeps your chainsaw running efficiently, reducing wear and tear. It's perfect for maintaining your yard and garden with ease. Forget about the struggles of starting a gas chainsaw. The Oregon CS1500 offers instant startup with a push of a button. Just plug it in and go, making it ideal for quick yard tasks and larger projects alike. This chainsaw is perfect for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and clearing brush. Its powerful motor and self-sharpening system make it a versatile tool for any homeowner. Enjoy a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient yard work experience. The Oregon CS1500 is the perfect addition to any homeowner's tool collection. It's reliable, efficient, and easy to use, making yard work less of a chore. Experience the difference a quality electric chainsaw can make. Don't wait any longer to simplify your yard maintenance. Check out the best deals on the Oregon CS1500 in the description below. Click that subscribe button for more power tool reviews and tips to make your yard the envy of the neighborhood.